Hi everybody, let's review how to move shapes, resize shapes, and delete shapes. So to do this tutorial, you just need a random shape that's in 3 dimensions drawn there. So I'm going to go ahead and make a quick rectangle shape. Let's use push-pull to drag that up. And just to make it a little bit interesting, let's add a hexagon on top of it right there. Let's make a hexagon, push-pull. Let's pull that up. Let's say I have this shape built, but I want to move it. I don't like where it was. To move an entire object, you need to first go over to your pointer tool and select the pointer tool or the select tool. You're going to need to click and hold down the mouse button and drag a selection box around the entire shape. SketchUp will only select what is entirely in the box. Notice if I only go halfway, it doesn't catch all of the shape. You want to make sure that you select the entire thing and it's all this dotted blue color. Now to move it, we're going to go over to our tools, and down close to the bottom is a tool that looks like a compass pointing in 4 different directions. It says move. Click that. You get these pop-out options. Let's select the move tool, and now I can click and let go and move my mouse around and drag this and place it where I want to be. Oftentimes, little movements is the best way to get it to where you want to go, because sometimes SketchUp will move it in the wrong direction that you don't want it to go. So do little tiny movements. Practice moving an object up and down and sideways across the screen. Now let's say I want to resize this object. You'll notice it doesn't have the handles that you're used to in Tinkercad. To resize it, what we need to do is go to our selection tool or the pointer arrow. Again, click and hold down to select the entire object that you want to resize. Then we're going to go down to that move tool, and when we open it, the third option says scale. Click scale. Now you'll get these familiar handles that look very similar to what we use to resize things in Tinkercad. I'm going to click one of the corners and let go, and as I move my mouse, now I can shrink that or expand that and then click and let go. I can even bring in sides if I want. I can click and let go and bring it in that way. Grab any of these green handles, and that's how you resize something. Remember, if you mess up and you do something you don't want to, just hit the undo button. That's the best way to undo your move. Now the last step is sometimes you make something and you just want to get rid of it. To get rid of it and delete it, go to your selection arrow, click and drag to select the entire thing, and then to get rid of it, you just simply press the backspace key on your keyboard, and that will get rid of the object you have selected. Go ahead and practice moving objects around, resizing them, and deleting them.